Hey folks, welcome back. We are finally getting to this W6. However, I had a little bit of a setback. This is a brand new tire. It's a brand new tube inside of that tire. Hopefully that shows up on the video. Anyways, I've pumped it up enough to get it close enough to the air hose. Gonna fill it and drive it in. I guess I got that little extra bit of work to do on this thing once she's in. Anyways, let's see if it'll start. Oh, it's gonna be one of those days. Okay, it's running. For some reason my camera quit recording as I was in the middle of starting it, but anyways, I'm gonna pump this tire up and then I'll try and swing her around into the shop as quick as I can before it drops back down. Okay, she's tucked in the corner. This is where she'll be for much of the next couple of months. Actually, I think I'm going to move the back end over just slightly. Oh, just ran out of gas. I'm going to move that back end over slightly so I can work on that. There, that's better. That'll give me some room so I can work on that tire. I can make myself more room on the other side if I need. Basically, the next thing I have to do to this is, besides fixing the tire, is remove the operator platform so I can get in and undo the bull gears on the inside so I can slide these axles out so I can replace the wheel bearings. See if I can show you. It's a little bit hard one-handed, but anyways, believe me, the wheels, you're able to rock them as well. I'm surprised I don't see any coming out right now. Must not be on enough of an angle, but I had water coming out the seals, and that's why this thing was froze up last winter, and I didn't get a jump on it last year. So at least now it's in the shop. It's in the heat. Won't have to worry about it freezing up this year. So I should be able to get the last of the mechanical work going. It runs like a Swiss watch. Oh, the other thing that we need to do is take this gas tank off and clean it out. Because, yeah, it runs for like maybe 10 minutes tops, and then you have to blow air back through the fuel line to clear the screen on the inside there. So I'm going to take that off and clean it too. But yeah, should be a fun project this winter. Stay tuned. Follow along. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Any of you ever done one of these McCormick W6s? Any tips on getting these wheel bearings? I know nothing about it. I'm gonna go based off of what the INT manual has for procedure, so we're gonna learn as we go, and mistakes will be made, lessons will be learned. Should be a wild ride. Stay tuned. Thanks everybody.